Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Chris, and today we're gonna go to Walmart to see what vegan options they have. It's been a while since I've done a video there, and I like to kind of rotate the different stores I do videos at just to see, when they get new vegan items and stuff like that. But it's been a while, so we're just gonna showcase all the vegan items that I can find at Walmart before they close and I get kicked out and all that good stuff. So here we come, Walmart. All right, so here we are. I like going late at night, in case you're wondering. Power Bites, very berry, great value. First thing I saw right in the produce department, which by the way, I'm not going to showcase the produce because obvious. And I'm trying to show the ingredients, even though it already says vegan on the package. Vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, of course, dairy-free. And they had these two different flavors right there. And then in the refrigerated section, we always have this stuff. This isn't really anything new, but just in case you've never seen it, they've got a lot of options here. The tofurkey, it's a little expensive. Tempeh, more tofurkey products, which you don't really find in other stores as much. The tofurkey slices are pretty popular though. They're Vegenaise, Chow, Follow Your Heart. Lots of good vegan cheeses that I really like this cheese, by the way. And then tofu. You could probably find tofu cheaper at other places, but in the freezer section, I saw these ice cream sandwiches. I've never tried these ones. Good Pop, oat milk, dairy-free, 110 calories. There's the ingredients. And they're a little bit pricey, but they have other different popsicles and fudgicles and different ice cream bars and stuff like that. Organic ingredients, which is helpful. It says vegan right on the box as well. And over here, Taipei vegetable egg rolls. They say vegetarian, but when you look at it, I don't see anything in the ingredients that would stand out that would not be vegan. So there we go, $6.38. Also, we have these. These also say vegetarian. And these are the ingredients. There's a variety of reasons why it might say vegetarian. Maybe it's cooked in the same facility as non-vegan things. But if you're really interested, you might want to call the company and ask them why they're not certified vegan. But here's the ingredients here. And there's the number to call. Incognito, the Eggo sandwich, chicken sandwich. And the Ultimate Burger, Impossible, Bowls, Teriyaki. They got all this stuff. There's a lot of ingredients here, but they are vegan. Gardein is always vegan. Morningstar, not so much. There's some non-vegan products by them. So be careful. Just be careful. And they do have a pretty good variety of different vegan things. Again, there's those waffles. They're pancake and sausage on a stick. Now, I haven't seen this one before. But there it is. $7.28, kind of pricey. They're chicken tenders. Those are really good. These buffalo wings. I always love buffalo everything, so those are good. And the buffalo chicken patties as well. Now, Darien always has some really good products here. I love these chicken, plant-based vegan chicken. Hidden Valley Ranch, they do have a vegan ranch if you're interested. And it's $4. Back to some more Gardein. Again, all the Gardein products are vegan. And they have everything from vegan meatballs, vegan fish, vegan bowls. So, and nugs. Yeah, nugs they carry. These turkey cutlets are pretty good. And then got the beef tips if you want to make like a nice stir fry. Be careful of this because Gardein, they're using Gardein. This isn't a Gardein product, but it's not vegan. As you can see, there's dairy in it. So be careful of that. It's like misleading, very misleading. So make sure everything that says plant-based, make sure you read it. Beyond is all vegan. Boca, this is the original Boca. This is not vegan, so be careful of this. This actually has cheese in it. So don't just like pick up, you know, you see Boca and pick it up. Not vegan. This is the Walmart brand. It is vegan, and it's okay. It's not the best. And they also have these chicken nuggets, which again, they're not my favorite, but they're a little bit cheaper. And these are new. I've never seen these plant-based pot stickers. And they're pork style, but they are certified vegan, 100% plant-based. As well as, I'm thinking this is kind of like a Spam vegan certified. I'm not tried these yet, so these are new to me. There's the ingredients in case you're wondering. And these are also plant-based pot stickers by the same company, but this is a different bag, so it's certified vegan. And here's the ingredients on these. I see mushroom. And then we have Impossible, nuggets, burgers, patties. And then they're different bowls. They have a variety of different bowls here for about $6. So if you want to pay $6 for a meal, it's a convenience thing. Holy Veggie is really good. I really like these products. Here's a cheesy cauliflower and broccoli, the Thai curry. These are actually really good. They're not too hot. I was actually impressed by these. And then these right here, be careful because it says plant-based again. A lot of people, plant-based does not mean vegan. And this is a perfect example because these are not vegan, contains milk and soy. The enchilada bowl, same thing. The shawarma bowl. This one right here happens to be vegan, and the bulgogi bowl also appears to be vegan. So out of all of those, there's a couple vegan ones and a couple not. So just make sure you read the labels. Here's another great value pad thai. And there's the ingredients for you. And then Tattooed Chef. Again, Tattooed Chef, it has some vegan products and some not vegan products. The not ones will say vegetarian. The organic acai bowl. I have not tried this. Vegan, gluten-free. And then Amy's, again, Amy's has a lot of vegan products. It says vegan right there. But be careful because not all the products are vegan. This cauliflower dinner. Never had this before. Tuscan style marinara. Says plant-based right there on it. And here's the ingredients. Because you have to look at the ingredients because it doesn't say vegan. Or at least I couldn't find a vegan on it. It just says plant-based. It is made in the same facility, but all the ingredients appear to be vegan. Daya is all vegan. All of their products are vegan. They're saying plant-based. Now everybody's moving to plant-based, which I will do a video on eventually. But they are vegan. Daya is all vegan. And they have all these different pizzas. Amy's, this is a no cheese pizza. It's one of my favorites. Sometimes I'll add my own vegan cheese on there. Liquid smoke Colgin style is vegan. It's pretty cheap and it's a great ingredient to add to a lot of different meals. Daya mac and cheese, vegan. And then this Primal Kitchen, they have a garlic Alfredo. Right here we can see the ingredients. It is gluten-free, and they have a no dairy Alfredo. And it also says vegan right on it. I just had to throw in polenta because that's like an old school, you know, back in the day. Here's a good find because I didn't expect this to be vegan. Hungry Jack. I mean, the picture's not vegan, but these are actually vegan. Idaho Spuds. And Philo's Peruvian Lentils. I wouldn't see why these wouldn't be vegan, but these are actually labeled vegan friendly. So they're just beans. A miso broth, Ocean's Halo. They have got a bunch of products here that I found, and they are all certified vegan. But again, make sure you're looking at the ingredients. These, I used to pick these up when I worked at a retail store back in the day, and they didn't say vegan on them. But now they all do, and I'm glad for that. They have many different flavors, and they all say vegan. Here was another Halo, Ocean's Halo, certified vegan. Ramen bowl, for those of you that love ramen. ramen noodles, rice noodles. They got it all. And this was another find that I didn't expect in a non-vegan section. Vegan eggless mix. And $10. So I didn't pick it up, but it was right between the Spam and hash. And there's the ingredients. This is much like the vegan omelet that I made on the channel many years ago. The Pacific Foods chilies are vegan. I actually found these for 99 cents at Bargain Grocery. So that was a steal because these are over $3 a can here. Amy's organic chili. Most of Amy's soups and stuff are vegan, but be careful because there are some that aren't. I even found some of the Siete sauce that I saw at the expo. And the Better Than Bouillon. This is great to make ramen or soups or bases. And then they have this Proper Good tomato basil soup that I've never seen before. It's $3.16 a pouch. Here's the ingredients. With plant-based ground beef. So they had a couple of different flavors of these soups here. And allergens say none. Back to the Gardein. We have Gardein soups. They do have these. I tried these before and I didn't really care for them. I'd much rather prefer these Amy soups. There is an Amy soup that is not vegan. These ones are. Nature's Bakery, gluten-free fig bars. They are vegan, although sometimes I'm kind of sketched eating figs just because of the way they're grown. But Nature's Bakery gluten-free fig bar, raspberry and blueberry. And here we have Annie's Bunny Grams. Organic cane sugar is good. You know it's not processed through bone char. These Quinn cheesy, these are strangely addictive pretzel nuggets. They're not quite like combos that I used to eat back in the day, but they are really good. They have a peanut butter one. They do have another one that's not vegan, so just make sure you're looking for the right one. Annie's vegan mac and cheese, gluten-free. The Mary's cookie crackers. I mean, these are vegan. Sesame. $4.68 a box. And these are amazing, these cookies. I love them. $4.30. This original, they have the plant-based or PB Fit, peanut butter powder, which is vegan. Two different, they have a chocolate version. And then I found the Sun Food smoothie mix, chocolate. It also says vegan on the front. And of course we have the vegan staple. We have nutritional yeast, so they do got you covered there. Organic super seeds, $10.66. Also chia seeds, which are great nutrients in chia seeds. This Keto Ultimate Fudge. Now I wouldn't buy this, but I found it and it is vegan, no sugar added, gluten-free, and there are the ingredients right there. Nestle does have some vegan, allergen-free chocolate chips and a dark chocolate. Say vegan right there on the front. Then I found this gluten-free pizza crust, cauliflower blend, and it is vegan as it says right there, and of course gluten-free. Makes a 12-inch pizza, $4.98. And this is Walmart's version, a little bit cheaper, of nutritional yeast with your B vitamins. Of course, Bobo's. Bobo's has a ton of different products. This is probably one of their newest ones. And let's find, we found the Reese's peanut butter cups that are vegan. These were really hard to find a few months ago, but now there they are. Vegan. They are delicious and addicting. They also have the Hershey's one. And that vegan chocolate in the orange is amazing, but it's very expensive. We have Dave's Killer Bread right here. The Unreal M&Ms, which I love these. Get me away from them. They also have this kind of like a Mounds bar. Be careful of that pink one. It's not vegan. These Vago Bears are vegan gummies. This Mr. Beast bar is vegan. It may contain that because it's made in the same facility, but all of the actual ingredients are vegan. Cocomelons are always vegan. And then these things right here, never seen those before. Pretzilla buns are amazing and vegan. And these are strangely addictive. These buffalo wing pretzel pieces are vegan. And Annie's has a fruit snack right here that is vegan. And fruit rolls by Bear, vegan. Over to the refrigerated section, we have a bunch of different vegan yogurt that, none of these are new. Most of you have probably seen these before. And they have a really wide variety of different vegan milks, including their own Walmart version of oat milk and almond milk. So butter, tons of different butter to choose from. It's getting expensive. We have Miyoko's, and Country Crock even has some. Violife cream cheese, strawberry cream cheese, and chives by Violife. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video at Walmart. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.